Hi, I'm Rashi and I will be taking you through the proposed solution for the Heathrow challenge. It is very important to understand the problem statement, and here is my version to it. To improve the customer experience and reduce the time taken at the security process, reduce risk arising from false positives and true negatives. Every solution has a management philosophy behind it, and here is my solution philosophy. Today's travelers rely on technology and need not require a face time with the security personnel, an important consideration for airports looking to reduce high overhead staffing cost. My solution philosophy has 5 angles to it, and I will take you through each one of them one by one. A. Proactive mobile communication. At least 75% of the travelers leave their houses with their phones, smartphones, tablets, making mobile websites a no-brainer for airports looking to disseminate travel information. Emails and recorded IVR callback to the customer explaining the security process. Emphasize the importance of it for having a delightful experience. Second would be passing the baton. Airlines have an equally important role to play. When checking in, airlines should spend some time talking to the customers and explaining the restricted items in the hand baggage. Third, using multiple and frequent touch points. It is not necessary to disperse information only when the customer is traveling by the air. Keep the flyers updated with frequent changes according to the flying regulations. Use touchpoint access must before the travels like bus, airport cabs, subways, metros, to sensitize flyers to the process and what restricted items mean. Using social media can be proved very effective for the same. Fourth would be incentivize good behavior. Customers clearing the checking process without causing delays and having no restricted items should be rewarded with an airport extended Wi-Fi, a beverage coupon at the airport cafe, or credit to his hotel or flight booking. Fifth would be use analytics. The baggage scanned at the clearance should be mapped to the flyer, and the data should be available to categorize customers into 2 different categories, zero and non-zero risk. And this category should help the security personnel to spend time only in cases where the risk is non-zero. To better the customer experience, to create 2 categories of clearance, express and normal. Express clearance, 1. Category of zero risk passengers, frequent travelers, corporate travelers and flyers with history of no risk can be given a different lane of clearance where they can move quickly to the next step in boarding process. Second would be express service for highly scheduled flyers. Flyers who have a connection which is in next 45 minutes can take advantage of the clearance line. Normal clearance would be this is business as usual line and should be dealt with data collection and above categorizing flyers into non-zero and zero risk. Thank you.